Welcome to Parking Network News. Today we are filming at a special location, the 2014 NPA Convention and Expo in Las Vegas. If you're here, feel free to hop by our booth number 608. If you couldn't make it to the show, you're in for a treat because now we are going to have a look at the exhibition hall. But before we walk down the aisles, here are this week's headlines. NCP opens up its off-street pre-booking technology to third-party providers. Wouter van Vansteenkiste joins Nedap identification systems. Faye Courtney joins Holiday Extras. And two previous competitors in the parking market join forces. NCP has signed partnerships with 3 mobile and online parking consolidators, namely Just Park, Park Jockey and Your Parking Space. The deal enables the 3 parking brands to offer their users thousands of NCP parking spaces at over 100 sites. This is the first time NCP opens up its off-street and pre-booking technology to third-party providers and parking retailers. Wouter van Vansteenkiste joins Nedap Identification Systems as Senior Channel Development Manager. Nedap is the leading specialist in systems for automatic identification of vehicles and people, and wireless detection of vehicles in parking bays. Van Vansteenkiste brings 18 years of experience in product and business development. After 20 years of experience in the travel industry, Faye Courtney joins Holiday Extras as the new European Contracts Manager. Holiday Extras is the UK market leader for travel add-ons like airport parking. Faye's role will facilitate the company's growth strategy in Europe. Hectronic France and PayByPhone, a product by PayPoint, have entered a partnership. The cooperation between these previous competitors enables cities to offer additional user-friendly payment options. Hectronic France has attached NFC tags to side-tier parking meters in several cities in France. Cities that have already taken advantage of this option are very enthusiastic about cashless payment for parking tickets. Those were this week's headlines. Now let's have a look at the NPA Expo Hall.
We are. All of us at NPA have seen more people here at this year's convention than we ever have before. The reason we think that's changed and there's so many parking professionals here today is there's a tremendous focus on the technological change in our industry. There's a big shift happening in automation, in mobile marketing, and we find that public pros parking in public sector and private sector really are interested in what's new in parking, how they can be better, and we have more than 1,200 people roaming the Expo Hall today.
We are here at the NPA Expo Hall. Let's see what people have to say and what is the latest and the greatest. We are here at Q3 TCS. Greg Parsik, what are you doing here? What are you presenting this edition?
Hi, good morning. I'm Greg Parsik, CEO of TCS North America, and today we are presenting our latest generation of parking guidance systems. We're very proud to acknowledge the fact that we have now reached an installation base of over 300 globally with this product, and the structure of the system being mainly wireless in design, we believe is a leading edge solution to our technology in today's traffic marketplace.
You're here at the NPA show. What are you showing off here?
So at this NPA show, we're showing off the SCR bill acceptor banknote recycler. 2-denomination recycler at a lower cost point than some of our other products, and we really think it's going to be attractive for folks in the revenue collection market.
Hi, we're really showing our end-to-end solutions of how a vehicle ties into parking. So for example, in 3M, we provide 98% of the license plates in the United States. We also have tolling solutions. We also have law enforcement with ALPR solutions as well. And all of those solutions, of course, tie into parking as well. So really we're showing the end-to-end solution of how a vehicle's life every single day and how parking ties into that.
So let's see what Amanda McGann has to say. Joe, tell me, what are you showing off here at the NPA convention?
One of the things is our latest release in equipment, a barcode-based QR code, encrypted barcode. But also what it does, it opens up to collaboration with a number of third parties, a cell phone, mobile phone, barcode, tickets, whatever. So validations or passes can be handled through different third parties.
What's the latest and the greatest for Calais? It's the Calais CWT from Pay and Display, Pay by Space, and the latest thing that people are really interested in is Pay by License Plate with phone through a permit system or at the meter itself.
We're showing the Luke Pay stations. So we've got about 14,000 pay stations now in the North American market. So they're used for both on and off-street parking installations. and also promoting the back-end systems that we have on the system. A lot of our clients right now looking to use the data that they get out of the system to do better analytics on how they manage their parking operations. So we've been creating some new tools in the back end for them to do that, as well as some mobile applications we've developed for the operational side to make it easier to do things like their maintenance, collections, and how they go about their enforcement and patrolling.
So, what are you showing here?
Shown here is our pay-by-plate solution. It's a license plate, car license plate number added to a multi-space meter. So you can actually do pay-by-space, pay-by-plate, pay and display from one machine. It's all upgradable from one technology to the other. So it's a nice product that we've added to our family.
This year's NPA, we're showing our new management application, JMS, for the first time. And JMS is essentially a new product from Hub. It's the first new item that we've come up with since the Hub organization was put together. We're moving ahead into sort of a web-based approach with JMS. Uniquely for us, we'll be able to run JMS on top of multiple hardware platforms, the ZAG Data Park, which we're showing here, and also a product we sell in Europe called ParkQ.
We're here at the IPS group, and let's see what these guys have to tell.
What we have is we have what we consider to be the most full line of on-street parking meters, and as well as having a nice solution for off-street meters. We have our, as you can see from this colorful unit over here, this is a retrofit kit where we upgrade existing technologies that we're able to do for the fraction of a cost of a new meter. We also have our brand new multi-space meter here, which is a very unique design in the meter market, and we think it brings a lot of user-friendly features. We've met a lot of partners out here who are very interested in working with us both on and off street. So what we wanted to try to do is just show the market what a complete line we have. In addition to the single space meter that accepts credit cards, we also have a full line of sensors.
We're here now at Mobile Now, and let's see what John Oglesby has to tell. John, may I ask you something? What are you showing off here at the NPA convention?
Well, this year we are continuing to highlight the successes we've had. We've actually doubled the company in size over the last year, and we're talking to people about our new university program that we're rolling out at the University of Texas and that we put in place at Texas Tech University just 3 short months ago, where revenues are up more than 20%.
Wow.
Only because of the changes of converting from another mobile payment operator to Mobile Now.
We are a parking ticket printing company, so we do barcode, mag stripes, rolls. We also do valet tickets and RFID technology.
So we're Park Assist. We're an image-based guidance company, and what we do is we do guidance, but we use cameras in order to accomplish that. And with cameras, we're able to do a bunch of other features. This is total security of your garage with the cameras. We can do a find your car feature with the cameras. We can also do dynamic pricing per space. If you want to identify certain spaces in your garage and apply a premium to those spaces, we can do that all through our guidance system.
Well, this year ParkHelp is very excited to be rolling out a brand new design in parking guidance that incorporates some of the latest technologies that are available on the market that nobody else is offering. We offer a brand new sensor and light unit that is completely IP65 rated, which means it's completely sealed against water and dust. And it also incorporates a great new RGB LED technology, which means that unlike in a lot of other parking garages, when you see the light over the parking space, the operator can choose any color that they would like that light to be without changing any bulbs. And it all works through our Park Manager software.
We're excited to show Blue. It's our new patent pending system. The user would download an application, either our branded application or one of our private label brands, present to the gate, and it would open the gate, enter. A session would then start. If it was a transient parker, if it was a monthly parker, they would just be good to go, park your car. While they're in their car with the windows up, you need to put your phone outside your window anymore and get it wet in the rain. It's a $500 device, you don't want to do that.
So let's see what Scheidt&Bachmann has to tell. Hi Jeff, how are you doing?
The main products that we're really focused on at this show is the Intervo Cashier. It's a virtual cashier system, a very unique product. I'd love to show all the customers here.
So you see there's a lot of new technology going on here at the Expo Hall. Let's see what others have to say.
Today we have the RFID. We also offer barcode, QR code. We can do valet tickets. Anybody that's interested in looking into the future, technology is coming down the road for us, and so we're really happy to explore new opportunities with people.
We're doing our parking guidance system. Sparrow does a full array of parking guidance products. We do facility-based counts, or we can do full single-space monitoring. We do signage, from signage like this inside a parking structure all the way out to your freeway signs, Amber Alert and such. We can do both graphics and text, and just really a full in-house solution to parking guidance.
Thank you so much. Thank you for watching Parking Network News. See you next week.